This is the announcement segment of Blind Android Users podcast. Stay tuned to hear important information regarding the podcast, surveys, and the latest news.
Okay, let's move straight to news and events. And the big news this week is that Android 15 Developer Preview 1 dropped. Was it Thursday it dropped, the 15th?
No, it just dropped yesterday or Friday, I think, in the US.
Friday.
I saw it on Saturday morning today.
Friday the 16th it was then. And you've installed it, haven't you, Austin? What have you put it on?
I put on my Pixel 7a, and I should say the build is not completely, but it's very broken. A lot of risks to install it. The first time, TalkBack was not coming on, so I just used the volume keys or the 2-finger, and it just enabled the accessibility mode and no TalkBack. And then the next time, I took some sighted help, enabled TalkBack, and went through the setup. Then I had to restart my phone, and it came into some mode which did not have TalkBack access. It said your data is corrupted. So if you keep getting the message, click on retry or do a factory reset. So you have to do a factory reset. I did the factory reset and TalkBack came on, and I completed the setup. And again, I tried to restart, and again, the same mode. So I found the fix that was in the developer settings. If you flash it using the Google Flash tool or even the fast boot ADB method, the bootloader is unlocked. The bootloader unlock thing is enabled. So allow OEM unlocking is enabled. You have to disable that. Then you restart your phone. Then that mode will come back again. Factory reset. Do a factory reset, and then complete the setup. And then it hopefully should work. I'm getting really afraid to restart now because I have done the setups 2-3 times.
That sounds quite convoluted. So on your first setup, you said it didn't work to enable TalkBack. Was it either when you held 2 fingers or when you used the volumes, or did one of them work?
No, both did not work. Even the 2 fingers and volume.
Yeah. Oh dear. That doesn't sound great. John, will you be installing this on your Pixel? You've got an 8, haven't you?
Yeah, I do, and I was thinking about it, but now I'm reconsidering. I don't know. I might, because it's not my daily driver, so I might install it just to see what's going on. And if I hate it and it doesn't work, then I'll just go back.
Yeah. It's not like your shorter phones, is it?
Exactly.
And Austin, is it still TalkBack 14 at the minute on DP1?
It is TalkBack 14.1. So for the listeners, there is no need to install this one. You can wait because there are no new features in this. There is just some under the hood features like privacy sandbox has been upgraded to 10.0, some in-camera API level, some connection to MIDI devices. That is nice thing. So you can connect with virtual instruments via USB, and file integrity and OpenJDK APIs are added. So very under the hood changes. So if you are not a developer, do not install this build.
Unless, of course, you like the frisson of excitement when you turn your phone on and think it might not work. If that's an exciting thing you like, then we'll put the link in the show notes just in case. But from what Austin said, the risk and rewards don't particularly sound worth it at this stage. I don't have a qualifying Fisher-Price device anymore. My 5 won't get it, so I'll have to decide whether I want to get one. I might have to get an 8 or something, so I have lots of years of updates, but that won't be soon. Perhaps I'll see what the 8A is priced at when that comes out, assuming it gets 7 years of updates as well. Sally, Kareen, you both have Samsung phones, don't you? So you can't install it either.
For me, I'm using S23, so we need to wait a lot to test out Android 15. Yeah.
Yeah. What have you got, Kareen, again?
And from my side, I'm on A71, so I can't install Android 14. So I'm still on Android 13. Yeah.
Yeah. So we won't be playing with it soon. Once Warren's back, it'll be 3-all in terms of people who are able to install Android 15. But let's keep an eye on that. Let's hope it's not as irksome a process as the beta cycle was for Android 14.
They're saying they're going to hit the platform stability milestone by June. So that means almost the RTM will be out in June, and after that, very less features will be added, just some bug fixes. So I don't think it will be as convoluted as Android 14.
Yeah, let's hope not.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Yeah. Let's hope we get it in August around the traditional release time rather than October. Not the best start though, by the sounds of it.